guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Sufi. So guys, that's my grandfather right there. And today, as you've already seen by the title, I'm going to be disturbing him for 24 hours. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking his money because I'm aware that he has some amount of cash in his pocket, and I'm going to be collecting those cash from him. If I do that, then no more. Oh, I don't make it disturb. Take the day door like he go just torment and disturb. Please like this video, subscribe, and also share this video. Okay? Grandpa, how you go? That's a room. That's the window. Look at the room. The turn back.
Yeah, turn.
Yeah. Turn so fast. That's our turn. Papa, I'm not a see. Turn so. No. Go straight. Go straight. This side you see. Go straight.
Yes, Simon.
Go straight. Straight. Now the room in the mouth than the soup.
Open it.
Go straight. Open it. Go no.
The room in the mouth now.
Enter no.
But I say, when I can, look inside the door.
Okay, they make like by the six.
So you know say that do I done it? You want bread? What the money can give me?
Put him on.
This I need joke for money.
Money is not a joke.
1,000 9 there. 1,000. 1,000 that's 9 there. Money no dey gas na 1,000 dey.
Boy, let's take that money.
Grandfather to the dogs. No, 1,000 9 dey. You say one bread? Yeah, I can give you bread. Papa, look bread. Wait, you know any bread?
You
Hey! Papa, you dey see.
When I don't take that money,
Now I make no sleep na net.
You don't take money now, you know, they are beg you.
I the bread money 1,000 bet.
1,000.
Daddy, that
money,
you know what in the pocket.
If my money no joke.
What in
Papa, what you look for? Okay, ready. Don't touch her. Don't feel her. I need gear.
Give me a
I need gear.
you don't do it, I'm not here. But you don't profit from me now. They do the phone you all you don't take it.
Papa, my man. You know how to again? Hey, the light. You know how to be my boss. Keep telling my man. You don't know my next spend for. I don't know. That's it, yeah. The money, that's a call, eh? That's a call, eh?
Yeah, because you have bad. Now you go. Come to
You look for.
the red one.
You ready? I mean, if you don't give me a cellar,
How many will give you?
you don't give me the idea. Cellar, they don't look for you, do ba? That's what I said. You police sus?
Come on, go marry now. One day I'm going to call her. Is it going to marry this?
This I never tell me my marry like I don't marry. The money there is around 200 okay. That's another marriage me. But I wish I'm not going to be married.
Cook self, you know, cook out.
But I'm not married me now.
Cool away myself. Why remember the trick again.